All, welcome to the JavaScript for Pentesters course on Pentester Academy. Now in this video, we will look at operators in JavaScript. Now primarily you have arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, and of course Boolean operators. Now let's take up some simple examples with arithmetic operators. So I'm going to be using Firebug just to make it super simple and to clear my previous script. So let's say we have var m equals 100. Now let's define another variable called var n equals 20. Now we can do an addition between m and n and display it inside an alert box. As you can see, 100 plus 20 is 120. Similarly, you could quickly do a subtraction. It gives us 80. A multiplication, which should give us 2000. And finally a division, which should give us 5. Right? Now apart from this, of course, you could also have, go back in here, a bunch of other possibilities. Let's say m++ would go ahead and give us 10. Second, so we already had changed the value of m. So let's just go ahead and run this. So m is 100. Now here is the thing, right? This uses the value of m and after that goes ahead and increments it. So we could do a plus m so that the value of m is first incremented and then used. Similarly, you could have a minus m, just give us 99. Alternately, you could do the m++ in here and just display the 101, right? Now you also have assignment operators. So let's say we could pretty much do an n equals m in here, and let's alert n, and as expected n would be 101. Then you have the plus equal to and the minus equal to operators as well. So we could actually go in here and define n to be 200, and then we could basically do an m plus equals n, which if you aren't from a programming background is really m equals m plus n. And let's alert m in here, and this would be 300. And similarly, you could have m minus equals n, and this would be minus 100, right? Because m equals m minus n, which is 100 minus 200, which is minus 100. Now similarly, you have the multiplication assignment operators as well. The comparison operators is something which we will take up in later videos, and so will the logical operators. Now operators are very important because anytime you're manipulating numbers or any interesting data type, they would come into picture. And especially comparison operators, as we'll see in the next video, help us in making decisions in the program flow. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video on Pentester Academy, and if you have, we would really appreciate if you can recommend us to your friends and colleagues in the InfoSec community. Thank you.